how can your tongue help to reshape your face? So if you see these pictures, this is not a double chin. There's a difference between double chin and a receding short chin and how it impacts your face shape. So let's talk about weak chin or jawline and how it can affect your facial balance and lead to the appearance of double chin, even if you don't have one. So instead of being here, if your chin is recessed, pushed back, it can make your nose look disproportionately large or negatively impact your profile. You will not be able to see a sharp V-shaped jawline when you have a weak chin. If chin implants for over $3,000 is not on your agenda to improve your facial profile or that weak short chin, then you can do it without chin implants too. So I've started to create seasons on different topics. And in this season about face shapes, I intend to give you different episodes that are related to aging and associated especially with your face shape. And that could be not just jawline, anywhere on your face. Because the more and more customized face yoga sessions I conduct, I realize that most people who may come to me thinking they have wrinkles or other signs of aging, later realize that it's mostly their face shape that has started to change with time is what's aging them, which is why this topic is so important and helpful to all of you. So in this season about face shape, I will be discussing reasons, solutions, the right skincare products and skincare routine, facial exercises, massages, and what to do to improve your face shape and what to avoid as well to maintain and improve your facial shape with time. Here are some of the other topics in the season so far. I'll be adding more episodes based on your requests and questions, so please keep them coming in the comment section below. I highly recommend that you watch all the episodes in this season. Now, for a more tailored 3-month facial yoga routine, which is customized for you, you can reach out to my team for a complimentary phone call just by filling out a form on my website. I'm 𝙀𝙀 𝙀𝙀 your self-image transformation coach. Face yoga as a part of my coaching program will give you confidence in your beauty. So I'm going to show you how to perform this exercise called mewing with your tongue in a certain position in your mouth that actually helps reshape your jawline and give you that nice V shape that you're seeking. But first you need to understand why your face shape is changing in this area, those sagging jowls, all of that's changing your face here. Because if you understand what causes a weak jawline, it'll be easier for you to understand why and how these exercises help. What causes a weak jawline? Why don't I have a jawline? Why my chin is small and my jawline soft and not defined? If these are some of the questions you keep asking yourself, then I'm here to help you. Here are some of the double chin causes that might be why you have a soft jawline. Did you know that regular mouth breathing affects the posture of your tongue, which causes the development of a long, narrow face, crooked teeth, and receding jawline? Tell me if you're used to eating soft foods. Eating soft foods or the type of foods you ate while you were a child affects the shape of your jawline as an adult. If your diet consisted of soft foods while you were growing up, your jaw just might be weak. But on the other hand, chewing hard foods puts that mechanical load on your jaw, which increases your bone remodeling. Simple fix, right? Now, how do you fix that weak chin and jawline? If you wonder how to get rid of the weak chin, then you've come to the right place, because there are several ways you can make your weak chin stronger. Of course, like I mentioned, there is a surgical route that you can take where you can have a filler or a chin transplant. But recently, more and more doctors and experts have agreed to the fact that you can fix that receding chin with exercise and a few lifestyle changes. And this exercise is cheaper and a non-invasive option that almost everyone can employ. The only thing is that it takes a few months, unlike my other face yoga exercises, which start to show results within weeks or even days. Because mewing is a lifestyle more than an exercise. It is as simple as learning how to position your tongue in your mouth that can actually help you fix your jawline and that receding chin. So this mewing technique involves flattening your tongue and pressing it up against the roof of your mouth like this. The idea is you try to hold this posture for as long as you can. This movement is said to help realign your teeth and help define your jaw. Even now, I'm just going to drop my tongue because most of the people have their tongues just dropped in their mouth. When the tongue is dropped, watch what the face posture can look like when your tongue just drops in your mouth and the weight of the tongue just sits here, right? Now I'm going to mew and lift my tongue and press it up against the roof of my mouth. So watch me do that. Do you see the difference? This exercise also helps mouth breathers. And imagine when you go to bed in this posture, when you wake up, you've literally had this mewing work to reshape your jawline for those 8 hours of sleep. And like I said, this is a lifestyle. So even during the day, whenever you're on a phone call where you're not speaking, your tongue should automatically go up. When you're cooking, when you're cleaning, when you're listening to a podcast, you're working out, try to keep your tongue pressed up against the roof of your mouth instead of letting it drop. Let your tongue work like a tripod. Because without that tongue support, this is obviously going to happen, right? So lift it up. And once you start getting used to it and you know that you're able to do it for hours together, every time you're not speaking, your tongue goes up. That means you're getting used to doing this exercise. This is where I want you to start adding a variation into your mewing. So this is when you're just going to move your tongue up and down in your mouth. So watch what happens when I move my tongue up and down instead of just leaving it pressed up. So do that for 50 or 100 repetitions and this is what it should look like. So I'm just going to drop my tongue and lift it up. So think of it as if you're doing bicep curls but with your tongue. But this is when you will start to notice the magic in your double chin area and in your neck area. So if you have either double chin or if you've started to notice turkey neck or short chin where your jaw is completely hidden in this area, it'll help you start bringing it out and define it. Ready? So let's begin the variation number 2. So let me open my mouth and show you what's happening with the tongue, but you are supposed to do it with your mouth shut. I'll show you both the versions of this. Now watch when my mouth is closed, how it impacts the muscles here. This is just like you doing ab crunches to get those firm abs. This is exactly what you're doing for your jawline. From here, go to another advanced level where you're going to add some resistance to your double chin area. So you are going to try and use the muscles here to push against this area, but you're still doing the same thing with your tongue, lifting it up and dropping down. So when you go up, when your tongue presses up against the roof of your mouth is when you feel the compression here. Drop. Drop. And notice when I'm contracting my neck muscles, how they're engaged. Release. Contract, release. Contract, release. Transformative exercises like these and more you should explore in my 21-day face yoga program for beginners, where you will get a complete sequence day by day for 21 days to see how you can transform your face, your facial muscles, your facial fat that's drooping down. A quick 7 to 8 minute face yoga workout routine every day designed for 21 days. aims to help you anti-age naturally. There are so many benefits that you are going to receive in this program. Please check out the link. I've linked it right below this video. You can also find it on my website. And in case you're interested in joining me live, then please join me live on November 18th at this time for my face yoga masterclass. For details, click this masterclass link and you will be amazed at what all I'm going to share in this 1 hour. In case you're watching this video after November 18, 2023, then you still have the option to get access to the video recording of this masterclass on my website. Subscribe, like, and share this video. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm going to head down and check out some of your comments and requests, so please keep them coming. I want to hear your thoughts about me creating this face shape series or season and what you feel about it. So please share all of that in the comments below. If you choose to become a subscribe member, then you will get some exclusive content and a close connection with me. So please do show support towards this channel if you've been watching me or you like watching my channel. I will see you next week. Until then, keep mewing and blush with me. Then let me tell you, you can do it without cheek implants too. Cheek implants? Chin implants. Sorry, take it up please. Wrong sentence.